When you switch your hair dryer on like this and nothing happens, there's no heat, there's no any air blowing, don't panic. It's because your hair dryer is not receiving power. Just check carefully at the bottom of your hair dryer, where more especially where the cable starts. Check if there's no a point where your cable it's broken. It will be broken like this one. Yeah. So which means there's no any power that's flowing in. So the fan does not blow any air, or the element does not come on at all. Don't panic. Just know that the cable is broken. It's either can be broken outside or inside. So if you can't see it from outside, you just need to open the hairdryer and check it inside. You'll find the hairdryer broken. Thank you so much for joining us in this episode. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances, we buy and resell, we do repairs, and we educate people on how to use appliances efficiently and effectively. If you want to participate in helping to grow this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.